Hey everyone, whether you're using it for daily use, outdoor excursions, or power outages, the VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1500 is a strong and adaptable portable power station. This unit offers a dependable and effective power solution. Whether you're handling an unplanned blackout at home, powering gadgets while camping, or making sure your appliances continue to function in an emergency, the FlashSpeed 1500's large 1,548 watt-hour battery provides ample power to run a range of devices for lengthy periods of time. The device has an extendable battery option that doubles the total capacity to 3,096 watt-hours for users that require even more energy storage. For long-distance travel, off-grid lifestyle, or disaster preparedness, this makes it a great option. Continuous power delivery of 1,500 watts is provided by the device, sufficient to run appliances like microwaves, coffee machines, and refrigerators. Additionally, it manages surges of up to 3,000 watt, guaranteeing the seamless operation of high-power starter equipment. The FlashSpeed 1500's capacity to power up to 12 devices at once is one of its best qualities. It has 2 USB-C ports that are perfect for contemporary laptops and power-hungry devices, 4 USB-A ports for charging phones and tablets, and 3 regular AC outlets for home appliances. It is quite versatile for road trips and RV use, as it also has a 12 volts car port for powering automobile items. This power plant's capacity to recharge quickly is one of its main advantages. It charges completely in under 1 hour when plugged into a regular wall outlet, which is remarkable for a device this compact. Whether you're getting ready for a trip or resuming power after an outage, this quick recharge time guarantees little downtime. The FlashSpeed 1500 supports up to 220 watts of solar input, making it suitable for off-grid situations. Compared to conventional lithium-ion power stations, the FlashSpeed 1500 delivers greater durability thanks to its long-lasting LiFePO4 battery technology. With a rating of more than 3,000 charge cycles, years of dependable operation are guaranteed. VTOMAN's V-Bond technology, which supports high-power appliances and improves efficiency and stability, is a great addition to this sturdy battery system. The FlashSpeed 1500, furthermore, has an uninterruptible power supply feature. It quickly transitions to battery power in 20 milliseconds in the event of an unexpected loss, avoiding interruptions to vital appliances like freezers, medical equipment, and CPAP machines. The device has a built-in LED light with several settings, including faint, medium, powerful, strobe, and SOS for convenience. This makes it a practical partner for outdoor activities, emergencies, and nighttime use. The power station guarantees that you will always have access to a dependable light source without the need for additional flashlights, making it an essential component of your equipment. So the VTOMAN FlashSpeed 1500 is a strong and dependable portable power plant that shines in terms of efficiency, robustness, and adaptability. It provides a useful and effective solution to keep powered anywhere, whether you need it for emergencies, camping, or home backup. This might be the ideal time to purchase a power plant if you have never owned one before. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and God bless you.